listen, and say.
Cup, 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 a cup on a cup. Hut, 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 a hut in the sun. Cut, 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 can you cut the bun?
Look, listen, and say.
Father, father, look at the car. The car is near the park. Do activity B from your textbook. What do you see in the pictures? Click on the pictures to hear the pronunciation. Heart,
March.
cart, dance.
Look, listen, and say.
What have you got? I have got a spinning top. Top, 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 don't stop my top. Do activity C from your textbook.
Look, listen, and say.
Rice pudding is hot, all in a pot. Some like it hot, some like it not. Click on the mics. Drag the correct petals to the correct flowers.